Clinicians of today dealing with chronic wounds are now using innovative, progressive and clinically proven technologies to promote wound progression and healing. Drawtex has become the first in a new advanced category of hydroconductive wound dressing that is now transforming the practice of wound bed preparation. In addition, Drawtex meets all the requirements of the principles of time. Drawtex features patented lever fiber technology, which is defined by its 3 unique mechanisms of action, and is clinically proven to remove all barriers to wound healing and effectively advance the wound healing process. These active mechanisms include capillary action, hydroconductive action, electrostatic action. The capillary action gives Drawtex its ability to move wound exudate and wound debris into the porous material of the dressing. The hydroconductive action allows Drawtex to lift, hold and transfer the wound exudate both vertically against the natural forces of gravity as well as horizontally, demonstrating powerful effective action against common barriers to wound healing. The electrostatic action enables Drawtex to draw out large amounts of bacteria and harmful MMPs. I'm using this colored fluid to represent exudate present in the wound. Drawtex will pull the exudate into the wound dressing, simulating what happens as the wound exudes. As I place another piece of Drawtex next to the first piece, you'll be able to see how the exudate moves towards the clean Drawtex. If I place a third piece of Drawtex alongside, you can see how the hydroconductive activity continues both horizontally and vertically through the dressings, perfectly demonstrating how it transfers exudate away from the wound bed. This also helps to prevent maceration of the skin around the wound. Chronic exudate can contain harmful proteases and other toxins. Drawtex can help remove these barriers to healing and therefore lead to a healthy wound bed. Drawtex also has the ability to heal the deeper compartments of the wound bed. If this represents a wound cavity, the biggest problem is the bacteria situated in the deeper compartment of the wound bed. We insert the Drawtex into the cavity and you will see that as the wound oozes, the bacteria is being absorbed by the Drawtex that is plugged inside the cavity of the wound. This contributes to creating a natural environment for the wound to heal. The powerful hydroconductive action of Drawtex also helps to loosen slough and necrotic tissue, which aids debridement, again removing a barrier to wound healing. Drawtex is the only advanced wound care dressing that uses this unique, innovative combination of actions to meet the demands of advanced wound care practice. Each and every day around the globe, Drawtex is benefiting and meeting the needs of patients and caregivers alike and advancing outcomes in treating wounds of all shapes and sizes. These include burns, amputations, post-operative wounds, venous leg ulcers, fungating cancer wounds, diabetic foot ulcers, leprosy-related wounds, Buruli ulcers, dehisced surgical wounds, difficult to heal wounds, non-healing wounds, wounds with moderate to heavy exudate, the results of which are proving to significantly decrease and limit the burden of chronic wounds on the financial cost of healthcare while improving the well-being and outcomes of their patients. Drawtex is available in a wide range of sizes and presented in rolls and flat sheets. Drawtex can be easily cut to any shape to maximize contact with the wound bed. It can be used as a flat dressing or as a drain for deeper wounds. It can be laid as required and applied with any of its surfaces in contact with the damaged tissue. Drawtex can be applied using either side and is also effective under compression therapy. The ease of use and versatility that Drawtex offers makes convenient home-based care possible. The result is both time and cost saving to hospitals, clinics and patients.
I'm Lindsay Buller from the Royal Albert Edward Infirmary in Wigan, England. I've used Drawtex hydroconductive dressing with lever fiber technology for over 18 months and have had excellent results on various wound types. Both staff and patients have been overwhelmed with its rapid debridement action and the advancement in wound bed preparation. A cost analysis of the product highlighted that Drawtex proved to be cost-effective due to its high absorbency properties, which resulted in a reduction in dressing changes. I would recommend its use for the debridement of devitalized tissue on all wound types.
Drawtex is leading the transformation of wound care practice, clinically proven to safely and effectively remove all barriers to wound healing, making it your first choice when preparing a wound for healing. For more information, visit www.drawtex.com.